Today we will learn about the integers and their properties. First, we will learn about closure. Second, we will learn about commutative, which is a simple and sober property. Third, we will learn about associative. And fourth and the last property, we will learn about distributive. First, we say that what is closure. We have to write something. First, I write closure, and here I write whole numbers. If addition in whole number is closed under closure property, see, we take 1 and 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is the whole number. So it is closed under closure property. If we take subtraction, and we take the same numbers, then 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, which is an integer but not a whole number. So subtraction is not closed under closure property. So in add we will take the tick, and in subtraction we will take the round. Then these three properties are so simple and are not difficult to be remembered as closure properties. Secondly, we will learn about commutative that I have said. Firstly, what is commutative? You will ask me. It is the interchange of the numbers. So simple, like 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then 2 into 3 is equal to 6 only. But it is not same in the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, which is not. But it is commutative or not? The answer are not same, so they both are not commutative. Then third, we will learn associative. The name is difficult, but the property is so simple. If we take 3 plus 2 in the bracket plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. If we move the bracket, 3 plus 2 plus 3, what will be the answer? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. If we change the bracket, the answer is also the same. So we say that subtraction is associative. Addition is associative. My mistake. Now we see the subtraction. 2 minus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 3. What we get? 2 minus 3. So simple, we get minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. In that we get 0, and 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2 we get 2. So both the answer are not same. So we can't say that the subtraction is associative. Okay. Now we will learn about the fourth and the last property, distributive. After listening the name, you will think about that it will be to divide the numbers of brackets, but in this we have to divide the operators. How? I said that 3 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. And now we tell about the third, which is 3 into 3 plus 3 into 2, which is 9 plus 6 which is, so sorry, my mistake. We will scratch it once. We will take distributive is you can't understand by the examples. Distributive is to move the operators one after another. Okay, so in closure the property should be closed. In commutative we have to move the numbers. In associative we have to move the brackets, and in the distributive we have moved the operators. And we have 4 type of operators, which are plus, minus, division and multiplication, which I can't have to stay. Please stay safe, stay home in the lockdown, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.